I'm seeing myself as a robotics engineer senior in outside the country, building machines to upgrade pets in Africa. My name is Muazeem, robotics student in SQI College of ICT in National Innovation Diploma. What I heard about SQI through my mom. She was she was coming from school through a bus. She saw the banner of the SQI College of ICT in Ibadan. So she came home and tell me and my brother that are we interested, and he said we should first go to the location and look at the course they are offering. But they offered my brother course at SQI Ibadan, which is software engineer, but as a professional program. But I told the sister who was there, the sister Comfort, she said they are offering the program, which is NID, as robotics in Ogbomoso here, the main campus. So my mom said we should. She said there's a this scholarship, and we wrote the scholarship. She said the scholarship can be used for NID program because my dad said he wants to study NID, not for professional course only. She now said we should come down to Ogbomoso to come and get some details about it. So we came down, we wrote the exam. After writing the exam, we came for the interview, and when hopefully by God's grace I collected what they call it, admission letter to SQI College of ICT as a robotics student and national diploma. Me, I love how motor move, the car, how it move. I want to study automobile engineer as a course in other university. But my dad and my mom said search, but everything was just theory, and it was in one university, which is Elizabeth. And which I heard about SQI. I said when I would start SQI with the robotics, that which I love this film, which is called Avengers, which I like the tech man who was there, that's Tony Stark, which is the Iron Man. So I love how technologies have been made through AI and everything. And when I heard about the offering robotics course and as an NID, I love the course really. So I came to SQI for the first day. I was eager to look at the laboratory of SQI, which was fantastic. Which I saw the 3D printing machine, which helps in printing the part of a robot, sorry. And after seeing the robotics lab, I love SQI because I'm able to do some things which are, for now, I'm able to design a little part of the robot body using which is Vision 360, and a little bit knowledge in Tinker Card. And I know some programming language which are HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript. And I'm working on a project that's a movie project. So that's why I just love SQI. I'm seeing myself as a robotics engineer senior in outside the country, building machines to upgrade tech in Africa. Yes, I will advise people to come into the NID program because you gain the first knowledge which will help you. Now, if you gain, like now we are going for cyber security in other schools, you gain the knowledge of how code works, how programming language works before you even enter normal university as a graduate. So you will be even ahead of the classes because you you will be able something that has been taught there, you'll be able to master it as fast as you can because to have to to cram code or to just understand code is easy. It's not easy, sorry, and later be easy for developers. So I'll advise people to come to SQI. The experience like from SQI is different from other, like now if you go to other universities, you'll be taught the theory part of their courses, but in SQI you'll be taught the both theory part and mostly the practical part, because the practical part is mostly needed in the tech part. So because now if you say you want to build a robot, you will not just be writing what you want to build, you take it into a practical mode. So my experience at SQI was very fantastic.